Hey everyone, continuation on the head removal. So as you can see, I have this sprocket chain combo here, the secondary chain combo, and then on this side over here I took it off. So pretty much all it did was you push this down on this part right here, push down, and then you put a paper clip right here in this little hole. On this one it's on the bottom. You push down, and then for me to be able to take the actual timing, the whole sprocket out, was like when I pushed that down, I end up pushing the guide or the chain over this part, and then these things slide out, so then I was able to pull it out, which I have it over here now. Here you can see. So now my next move is to take this one off, and then to start taking all the bolts out right here in order for me to be able to remove the cylinder head pretty soon. So I'm hoping all this will be pretty cool and be able to have these things machined, so then we get a nice clean look to it, and also to be able to make the surfaces well, so then hopefully we don't have no more overheating of this car. Thank you.